Welcome to another episode of NFT Rex upcoming NFTs. Yours truly, Lisa, and let me show you what's up with this one. Okay, so the name of this magnificent NFT collection that is coming right up is Local Weather. And why did they choose to call it a Local Weather? And there is a very good reason behind it. You know how when you ask a person how they're feeling, they're gonna say, oh, I'm under the weather, or something like that. The way we feel, we often relate it to weather. And also it can relate to if our bodies are hydrated or not. Here's the change in the game. Connective hydration designed with more than just a professional athlete in mind. Organic and non-GMO electrolytes and focus enhancing natural ingredients to improve your overall performance. This is infinitely recyclable aluminum bottle. So we all know that drinks taste much better from non-plastic containers. Yes, and all of this is launching in 2022. So it's happening, guys. On their Twitter, they currently have 14.7k followers. Mind plus Body Hydration, founded by Russell Wilson, AJ Vaynerchuk, and H+S Labs NFT collection dropping really soon. Okay, so who are these guys? Well, Russell Wilson is a quarterback for Denver Broncos. So a really big name in the United States, and maybe even bigger name. Here we have AJ Vaynerchuk. I'm not sure if I pronounced it really well, but what about this guy? Well, this guy has a very famous brother. So Gary Vaynerchuk is his brother, and I mean, if you do not know about this guy, you've been living under a rock. This is 3 million followers, and this guy is all about crypto and anything NFT related. So yes, definitely we're taking a look. The two of them, Russell and AJ, are partnered with H+S Labs, and this is a company producing supplements, protein, creatine, MCT oils, and all of that for an athlete. So this is a really interesting partnership here. And you know how I like to check the first tweet ever? It happened on 29th of March, so we are super early for this one, guys. So Discord is of course not open yet. We have really limited information. Just by scrolling here through the tweets chronologically, we can see the art. It looks really cool. I really like it. I really like this kind of art. And of course they do have an Instagram account. It is not as impressive. 600 followers is quite respectable. Oh, and I really like to see when something in real world is happening, like this one. These guys are all about real world. I mean, they are supplements, the water, electrolytes, everything is real world related. Okay, so what about Discord for Local Weather? I've been looking all over the place and I could not find the number of people that are here, but here we can see that there are 7.5k online and just some team moderators. Official links, of course, website, Discord, Twitter, Instagram, and OpenSea to be decided yet. I was unable to find any information about a whitelist. I'm sure they will soon release it, and I do not think there will be any reason to differ from all the others. There is this kind of quiz section, so possibly if you win in a quiz and something like that, you may get a whitelist here. The general chat over here is such a wonderful place. Okay, so once again, I must emphasize the fact that one of the co-founders here is Gary Vee's brother. And I cannot imagine what kind of hurdle it would have to be for this project not to do really well. But anyway, do your research as always, and may the odds be ever in your favor.